Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be doing what's inside my badminton bag video. Now, first of all, we have this compartment over here. The first compartment, I just have my towel made by Onyx, and that's all. I'll just put my extra jersey here. And then moving on to my second one is have shuttlecocks. Then I have this. This is a like scorer, so you can keep track of your score when you play badminton. These are my shuttlecocks. I only have cheap shuttlecocks because shuttlecocks are too expensive for me. I can't afford them. And then here is my favorite compartment. I have the a bag inside a bag because inside this bag, this is my most expensive racket, which is my favorite. It's the Yonex Astrox Lights 27i. It's my favorite racket. This is made by Yonex from Japan. So this is why I keep it here because so it doesn't get scratched. This is it. Astrox. Wait, let me use it, okay? Astrox Light 27i. And then I have these rackets. Yeah, they're made by Spalding. I have two of these. And these are my other rackets made by Yonex also, but these ones are just copies, so they're fakes. Astrox 100ZZ, but they're fake. And that's all for my racket compartment. And then over here, there's another compartment. And the back, I open this. I have another shuttlecock. And then I have one towel grip. And then I have two Yonex grips. Yeah, that's all. I'm kind of a beginner, so I don't have a lot in here. So that's everything for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.